Want to know the secret to feeling better, digestion, and even weight loss? What if I told you it was something simple, natural, and right in your kitchen? This might change your health forever. Today's video, we're diving into the incredible benefits of apple cider vinegar, but there's more than meets the eye. The truth behind apple cider vinegar is different from what you've heard. You've probably heard that it's packed with vitamins and minerals, but here's the reality. It doesn't have tons of vitamin A or vitamin C like many people think. Instead, it has something even more powerful, something that works wonders for your body. Curious? Let me introduce you to acetic acid, the magic ingredient in apple cider vinegar. But wait, before you roll your eyes, let me explain why this simple acid is actually the key to so many health benefits. That most of us are too alkaline. Yes, even though the popular belief is that we're too acidic. Confused? Stick with me. Here's the thing. When we talk about pH levels, it's not just about the pH of your urine or saliva, it's about your blood. But testing blood pH is tricky and expensive, so what's the next best thing? Looking at symptoms. When you feel off, it could be your pH that's out of balance. Google the symptoms of acidosis, too much acid, versus alkalosis, too much alkalinity, and you'll start to see the difference. Here's the shocking truth. Most people have blood that's far too alkaline, and that's where apple cider vinegar comes in. I know this might sound controversial. Many believe we need to be more alkaline, but what you actually need is a tiny shift in pH to make a huge difference. Just a little change can trigger powerful results. Why? Because pH directly affects how well our body absorbs minerals, utilizes enzymes, stimulates the thyroid, and boosts metabolism. Now let's talk about acetic acid, the star of the show. Apple cider vinegar's pH is around 2.5, very acidic, almost the same as stomach acid. This is why it works wonders for your digestion. Heartburn, acid reflux, indigestion. It's not too much acid causing the problem, it's actually a lack of it. Apple cider vinegar helps restore that balance, letting the valve in your stomach close properly so acid doesn't come back up. You'll feel better almost instantly. But it gets even better. As we age, especially over 50, our stomach's acid levels decrease, making it harder to digest protein and absorb minerals. The result? Calcium buildup in your soft tissues, think arthritis, cataracts, kidney stones, and even tartar on your teeth. All of this could be a result of an overly alkaline body known as systemic alkalosis. It's a huge issue, and apple cider vinegar is your weapon against it. Want another reason to try it? Stress. High cortisol levels, the stress hormone, can push your body into alkalosis. This means your body becomes too alkaline and you lose essential minerals like calcium and potassium. Ever notice those annoying eye twitches or calf cramps? Yep. It's linked to low calcium, and that's where apple cider vinegar comes in to help restore balance. Here's the twist. If you drink apple cider vinegar, you're helping mobilize calcium, so your body can use it properly. Those muscle cramps, those twinges of pain in your joints, they'll vanish when you get your pH right. Imagine a life without those annoying symptoms. And did you know that apple cider vinegar also helps with potassium retention? This is key for things like high blood pressure, constipation, fatigue, and even irregular heart. Those things that make you feel drained and run down. Apple cider vinegar can help restore the balance and get you feeling better fast. But hold on, what about all those high-protein diets like Atkins or keto? They're often packed with waste from protein breakdown that makes your body more alkaline and stiff. Apple cider vinegar is the perfect antidote. It helps clear out that waste so you don't feel stiff or arthritic. Feeling more flexible, energized, and alive? Apple cider vinegar can be your solution. Now, before we move on, let me remind you of something. Apple cider vinegar is also an amazing immune boost. Feeling a cold coming on or dealing with a viral infection? Don't reach for synthetic vitamin C. Reach for apple cider vinegar. Why? Because the acid it contains can support your immune system better than any pill or fake vitamin C supplement ever could. I bet you're curious to try it now, right? I want to share my favorite drink that incorporates apple cider vinegar, and it's super simple. It's not just for digestion, it can help you lose weight too. This is something I drink regularly, and it works wonders. Here's how to make it. Grab your favorite apple cider vinegar. I love Berg. Mix 2 teaspoons with water. Yes, just water. Add some organic lemon. I prefer Italian volcano lemon for its rich volcanic soil benefit. Optionally, add cranberry, but only the one made from real cranberry. No added sugars or juices. If you're feeling adventurous, add a bit of ginger, either fresh or ginger juice extract. This spice adds extra kick and boosts the drink's benefits. Drink this before each meal, and watch how it stimulates your metabolism and improves digestion. If you're really serious about weight loss, drink it 3 times a day before meals. But remember, if you have a slow metabolism, you might want to skip the cranberry juice. This drink is a game changer. If you don't like the taste, it's probably because your body needs it. And trust me, you'll crave it once you start feeling better. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Drop your comments below and I'll see you in the next video where we dive deeper into living your best, healthiest life.